The battle lines are drawn, and Maharashtra is bracing for an electoral storm that promises to reshape its political destiny. The assembly elections on 20th November 2024 present a high-stakes contest, pulsating with intrigue, ambition, and the clash of legacy and vision. At the heart of this epic showdown lies the face-off between the ruling BJP-led Mahayuti and the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi (MVA) alliances as complex as the state's multifaceted political terrain. The political stage is riddled with the scars of factionalism. The once unified Shiv Sena stands fractured, while the NCP has split into warring camps. BJP's alliance with Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar's factions is a daring gamble, one that may consolidate power or fracture regional loyalties. The MVA, holding steadfast with Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT, and Sharad Pawar's NCP faction, seeks to present a united front amidst the chaos. From Mumbai's urban battlefields to rural hinterlands, the stakes are monumental. Aditya Thackeray versus Milind Deora in Worli echoes a duel of old money and fresh ambition. Meanwhile, Eknath Shinde's stronghold in Thane could become his Achilles' heel as he battles for both votes and vindication. Burning issues like the Maratha reservation demand, unemployment, agrarian distress, and women-focused welfare schemes form the core of voter concerns. Amidst promises of 3,000 rupee monthly for women, MVA's Mahalakshmi scheme, and BJP's financial relief under the Ladki Bahin Yojana, voters are torn between the politics of provision and the cries for deeper reform. Vidarbha's agrarian crisis, Marathwada's youth exodus, and Western Maharashtra's legacy battles tied to the Pawar dynasty paint a fractured portrait of Maharashtra. Each region's narrative weaves into a larger tale of political opportunism and survival. The BJP's promises of technological hubs, massive job creation, and welfare schemes clash with the MVA's call for a caste census, increased reservations, and grassroots development. These manifestos are not mere policy documents, they are rallying cries in a battle for the soul of Maharashtra. Maharashtra's election is no isolated skirmish, it is a litmus test for India's evolving political order. The Lok Sabha 2024 results showed cracks in the BJP's dominance. With NDA losing ground in the state, the MVA stands emboldened, transforming this election into a battle of survival. As 23rd November approaches, Maharashtra holds its breath. Will the BJP's Mahayuti triumph with its promise of a futuristic Maharashtra, or will the MVA ride a wave of disenchantment to reclaim the throne? With 288 seats at stake, this battle is destined to reshape not just the state but the trajectory of Indian politics. The stakes have never been higher. The stage is set. Maharashtra, the crown jewel of India's politics, awaits its next kingmaker.